Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to add decorative border in Photoshop. Two step. Step 1. Select the rectangle tool. Do not use fill, shape, stroke color. Use this color and select any stroke border. Example, I use this and press enter. Size example 6 and select and edit position, stroke size, hold control, that's it. And step 2, edit any decorative PNG border. I already download to this border and click and drag on your mouse. Resize, press Ctrl T, hold Shift, X size, hold Ctrl, click down layer and multiple selection plus and select inside. Okay, then create a layer mask. Hold Ctrl, convert is not visible. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.